Today we're going to be doing a flavorful dish of cabbage, smoky bacon. We're making a sauce out of soy sauce, hoisin sauce, brown sugar, and gochujang paste. So it'll have a little heat, but some sweetness to it. You can control that by the amount you put in. Tender cabbage, smoky bacon. It's side dish. I eat it as a meal. It's super delicious, loaded with flavor. Everybody's gonna love it. It's all over the internet. It's blowing up like crazy. We're doing it next. Bacon cabbage, Buzz Cooks. All right, let's get into it. Making our sauce first. About a half a cup of soy sauce. Maybe 2-3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. This doesn't have to be exact. It's going to be to your taste. A little bit of sesame oil. And I like a little extra kick, so I'm going to go with 2 big tablespoons of gochujang paste. If you want less heat, use less or don't use any at all. Then we'll mix this up real good. Then we're going to come back with some brown sugar. I'm going to put about a quarter cup in. That'll give me a nice contrast to the heat and the sweetness. Like I said, it's up to you. You can make it as hot as you want or as sweet as you want. Let's get that mixed up. We'll put that in the fridge while we work on our cabbage. I've got 1 large head of cabbage. Going to cut it in half. And then we're going to cut that core out that you see right there. We don't want any of that in there. So we'll just cut it out and break it off. Discard that. Now we'll cut this in half. And what I always do is take off the first layer of leaves. And we'll cut that in half. And then we'll cut that in half. Just like that. Flip it. And nice size pieces. And we'll do that with the whole cabbage and put it into a bowl until we are ready to add that to our dish. Next, the bacon. Thick cut applewood smoked bacon, or whatever your favorite bacon is. I've got about 8 to 9 pieces there. We're just going to cut up into bite-sized pieces like this. And once we get that all cut up, we're going to break out our wok. If you don't have a wok, get a large frying pan. But a wok works great. We're going to start off with our bacon in the cold wok. Turn the heat on to medium-high. And we're just going to slowly render down that bacon and cook it up. Then we're going to add about 2 cloves of diced garlic. And we'll cook that garlic in there with that bacon. I don't know if you saw my video on how to keep bacon or garlic in your freezer with ice cubes, trays, but that's what I do. So I'm just going to slowly defrost and cook in there with the bacon. Then we're going to add our cabbage. Right on top. And we'll get in there with our spatula and carefully move it around a bit. As it renders down, it'll be easier to mix up, but you don't want to go too fast too soon, or you'll have cabbage on the floor. There we go. We'll just work this down slowly, still on medium-low. Now we're going to add a little bit of black pepper, no salt because we've got plenty of salt with the soy sauce and the hoisin sauce. And we'll just continue to work this down, let it cook. And once it gets down, well, you'll see here in a second what you're looking for. Right about there. Now we're going to add our sauce. There we go. And we'll mix that in real good. Serve it up on a plate. And you've got a delicious bacon, cabbage, gochujang, sweet, spicy cabbage dish that is just amazing. I mean, I could eat this every day. It's so good. Use it as a side dish. Use it as a meal. Everybody's going to love it. All right. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you on the next video. Oh, remember to like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. I put out a new show every Wednesday and every Sunday. So tell everybody you know. Thank you.